up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a little wig review on this girl right here. So this is my new wig from Pearl's Hair Boutique. Her name is Leah. She is 28 inches. I'll stand up so you guys can see. She's like so long. Look. 28 inches, Cambodian hair, 200% density. We'll go into like everything in the video. So I actually already filmed like a first impressions video on this wig, like a little unboxing. I cut the lace and everything, and then all that footage didn't really come out. So this video, I'm refilming it. So this video is going to be more of an actual review because I actually got to wear this hair out. I wore it out to a concert like 2 days ago. So I actually got to like wear it out for a few hours and stuff like that. So I can kind of give you like a proper review, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get started. I will show you, maybe I can start off by showing you the cap construction. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, hey. Okay, so this is Leah. This is pretty much how she came. So obviously I lost some of the waves from wearing it out, but she did come styled and ready to go. So these are the beach waves that she did come with, which is really nice. I always appreciate when a wig is like styled and ready to go. You pretty much just have to cut the lace and you're good. So I love that. And I think you guys saw in the beginning, but there are like a little bit of baby hairs that came with they came like laid and ready to go. I'll kind of zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see closer. All right, so I did wear this. I stuck it down with a little bit of hairspray. So if you see some hairspray residue, don't mind that. So the hairline is pre-plucked, so she actually ventilates her own frontals. So this is like how she made it. So it's not even plucked. This is like how she put the hairs in. I hope you guys can see that. Let me like pull it back a little bit. So anyway, there is like a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline. I'll zoom you guys back out. And bleach knots and everything like that. So all that good stuff is there. This is a lace front wig. So this is the lace in the front. And then there's like that cap in the back where the tracks are sewn on. So she does have the elastic band. It's not removable, but you can adjust it. So there's like a little, oh, right here. A little thingy so you can like make it tighter or looser if you need to. And then underneath, I'll show you, there's like a little elastic band down here and then a comb in the bottom. So I'll go ahead and put her back on. And about the hair, so the hair itself is actually really nice. So I think I mentioned it before that this is Cambodian hair, and I think she does color it herself. The hair feels nice, like I said, thick. The ends do feel like they have been lightened and processed, so they are like slightly drier, but they're really not bad. So I'm gonna do some like deep conditioning. I'm actually super curious to see what this hair will look like after I wash it and straighten it, because I've been wanting to wear it straight. That will be for another video, but like stay tuned for that. I just want to see what the hair will look like if it's like all straight. And I did wear this hair out to a concert and it didn't like tangle or mat. Like it tangled like in a normal way that like it's long hair, it tangles, but it didn't like mat up in like a gross hair way. So this is nice hair, okay? Like I'm digging it. I was like moving around, I was dancing, I was sweating, you know, and it was like, she held up. So I'm pretty impressed in that sense. And I'll talk a little bit about the ordering process. So I found Pearl's Hair Boutique on Instagram, and she's actually a fellow Canadian. So hey, I'm always here to like support my fellow Canadian female entrepreneurs, you know what I mean? So she's actually I think she's in Newfoundland, so that's really cool. The ordering process was really easy. So I think this is like what she does. She kind of launches like a collection, and then you order from the collection, then she kind of like takes it back, and there's like a moment in between collections, you know what I mean? So just follow her on Instagram and see like when she's dropping a new line. And it's really nice, like especially since she's a small business owner, you can just like message her on Instagram and be like, hey, can I see this wig in like different lighting? Can I see it in natural light? Can I see it in like indoor light? You know what I mean? And she'll like send you videos and photos and stuff like that, which is like so helpful, especially when you're spending like a lot of money on a wig. You want to like make sure it's right and not like, you know, the colors can be different based off like the photo versus like in natural light and stuff like that. So she's actually super helpful and like really responsive. And her customer service is really great. So, hey. Oh, I don't know what happened there. So anyway, it came delivered in like a package, like a regular kind of envelope. So it didn't come in a box or anything like that. It came packaged up in, I'll show you, in this bag right here, which is funny because it's very similar to the Freedom Couture bag. So it's kind of like, you know, inspired by that, I guess. So it came in a little bag like this, and then the hair came inside like a plastic bag with the net around the hair. And she also included a little wig cap with her branding on it, which is really cute. And of course, a nice little thank you card. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I want to tell you guys about this hair. Let me know if you have any questions and anything like that in the comments down below. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.